Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Tome presentation step by step. Open your Tome workspace and create a new presentation using a template, then replace placeholder text with your title and key points. Add images or embeds by dragging them into blocks and use the navigator to reorder slides. Keep text concise, use headings for structure, and preview often to refine pacing and visual flow for your audience. Choose a coherent design system and stick to it for visual consistency across slides. Use larger headings, concise bullets, and readable fonts to guide attention, and keep color contrast high for clarity. Replace long paragraphs with visuals or lists, and use white space to prevent clutter. Test readability on smaller screens and adjust font sizes if necessary so everyone can follow your presentation comfortably during delivery. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes reading and annotating resources for your Tome presentations simple and enjoyable, whether you research on the go or review notes at home. It's lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for building slide content from anywhere. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Leverage Tome's interactive blocks to embed web content, charts, and videos without leaving your slide deck. Invite collaborators to comment and edit concurrently so feedback is integrated early, and assign clear roles for final edits. Use subtle transitions to guide flow but avoid distracting animations, and practice the timing of interactive elements so they appear exactly when you want them during delivery to keep your audience engaged and the presentation smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.